Hi everybody, welcome to English Dizzy Lessons. This is N. Sanjeev Reddy, School Assistant English, working at ZPHS Ambarpet, Katalapur Mandal, Jaityal District. Today we are going to know how to write a profile under creative writing. It is useful for the students of classes 6th to 10th classes. It will be asked in paper 2 for 9th class and 10th class students for 5 marks. So here let us see what is profile, what are being included in the profile. Let us see. It is a short description of a person and his or her personal traits. It can be written in a tabular format and paragraph also. In tabular format we don't write lengthy sentences, but we write meaningful expressions and words which are simple and straight. Biographical information will be given and we have to write profile using that information. In the question itself, the information will be given. Based on that information, we write the profile. Remember that. Here are some common information in a profile. Maybe we may come across different types of professional people, but as per their profession, the details may be different. But some details are common to all people, all professions, or profiles. Let us see them. They are familiar to you. Your name, parents, and remember one thing, the information which is provided to you, based on that information we write profile. For example, in that information, if the names of parents were not given, you need not to write that in the profile. That is place of birth and also date of birth if they are provided in the text. Next, education of that person, school education, college education, such details. Nationality of that person, to which country that person belongs to. Profession and occupation, career. Here career means the best achievements and both are similar, but you may write under different headings. Awards and honors the person received, or any other detail not included in this, we can write that. These information are common to almost all profiles. Remember. Let us see some examples. If the information given about a scientist, what could be included? Let us see them. Here these are the details possibly. This is only example. Maybe depending on the question, we may write different information. Remember that. Here let us see another example of sports person. If the information given about a sports person, the profile may looks like this. Here see some many common details, but you can see this team and first match, they are different. They are only for a sports person. We don't write first match or team for scientists. Remember that. And actor, actress, that profession's profile may look like this. Here you can see first match, first film, total films, they will be entered related to films. So these are the three different profiles of different professions. Here is some information about SP Balasubramaniam. Based on this information, we have to write a profile of SP Balasubramaniam. As I have already told you, the information which is given in the question, based on that information we write profile. In the examination hall, we don't go anywhere and collect the information. In the question itself, the information or details will be given. Based on that, we write that. Before going through the answer, it's better to write answer on your own. Later, compare your answer with the answer given in this video. Okay? Here, let us see the answer. And this is the same information, not other. But for your better understanding, I have changed the color of some expressions. So these details we are going to write in the profile. Let us see what are the details given in the information. Name, parents, place of birth, date of birth was given, profession also, career, famous movies, awards. So these details were given in this information. These details were given in the information here. Let us write the name as it is given in the question. We write parents' name also. Place of birth. We write abbreviations. Remember that we need not write lengthy expressions or words. The profile should be precise, not detailed. All this was given in the question. Remember that. So this is the profile we have written of S.P. Balasubramaniam. Let us see another question. Here the information is given about Kottapalli Jayashankar. You know Telangana ideologue. He led the separate Telangana state movement as he was the student leader when he was the student leader. Here is the answer. So let us see first what are the details given in this information. Name was given, parents, place of birth, date of birth was also given, nationality, education, profession, positions held. You see this is the new one. Means this is only for academicians generally or politicians, not for scientists or someone else. Maybe if such information given in the question, you can write that, whoever the person is. And others, death. Here are the responses. Remember that we don't go anywhere. Every information will be given in the question. Just you have to read that carefully and write the answer. Hope you understood it well, and if you try again and again, you can write a good profile on your own. You will get easily good marks in your examinations. All the best. Like the video and share it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching this video.